Go slow, go slow. And Grant, don't touch it when it comes out. It's gonna be hot. Oh, there it is. Ooh, it looks like it's done.
It is done completely. Uncle Adam.
Oh, there you go. It's gonna be hot. Be careful. Don't touch it.
Is it all ready?
Where are you gonna put it? You can leave it there if you want.
Well, let's put it.
You wanna put it in the cooling area? No. Is that where it goes?
It's called the cooling.
Okay, cool. You wanna make another one?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh, hon?
Grant, did you spray this?
Not yet.
Spray it.
Let me see.
Spray it, Grant. Spray it. I think I want to.
Audrey, Grant can't spray. He can't push it down hard enough.
Oh, then what? Then can I try?
Yeah, spray's over there.
I want me and
Well, let Audrey do it because she hasn't done one yet.
I never do it.
No, yeah, you and me did one, remember?
I never did to bread.
Yeah, we did it once. Let me try. This is hard.
My turn.
Hold on.
I did it, I did it, Ay, doggy, ay.
No. You're going to get it in your face.
Doggy, woo.
Grant, it's already done. No, you're going to get hurt. Sorry.
I'm excited, Uncle, I'm excited.